Hello again, welcome to another video, and today I'd like to show you this Peugeot 207cc 1.6 Sport with the VVT engine, 120 horsepower, and finished in the silver 2007. It's got loads of service history with it. There's a folder full of history there, and the service book and everything, it's all in there. Tidy inside. It's just had new brakes on the front, disc and pads on the front, so had some new springs as well for the MOT. Starts and drives well. Engine and gearbox is good. It has got a faulty roof mechanism, so that's not, see the roof isn't closing properly there. So I'm selling it as a unfinished project. Somebody with the knowledge can get that sorted. I think one of the electric windows isn't working either. The rearmost electric window on the near side isn't working either. So let's have a look, see what we've got here. I've got mileage 117,000, and so it's good service history with that. There's no warning lights, starts and drives really well. Good engine and gearbox, like I said. It's also got the air cons all working. That's all blowing nice and cold. 5-speed manual, conventional handbrake. That's the button there for the roof. Press that button, you see it just comes up on the display. Folding roof mechanism faulty. So like I say, for somebody with a bit of the right knowledge can do something with that. I'm selling it as an unfinished project for somebody. Like I say, a good basis for a nice little car that's got a lot going for it. As regards to service history and the engine and gearbox is all good. Aircon's nice and cold. There's 2 keys with it as well. Got 2 remote keys. Leather steering wheel. It's got the alloy wheels. It just needs, I've put some pictures on as well of what you need to do with the work involved. Would be probably some fault with a micro switch or something under there. Don't know what happened there, sorry. So yeah, there you go. Potential nice little car for somebody as a project. If you're interested, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And if you're liking the content, then please feel free to like and subscribe the video, because that all helps with the YouTube statistics. So there you go, and yeah, let me know what you think might be wrong with it. Thanks again for watching.